Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix block blast screen issue. If you open block blast and see a black screen, it's usually a loading or compatibility issue. Start by closing the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find block blast, close the app, then reopen it and restart your device. Next, check your internet connection. Weak signals can prevent assets from loading properly, so make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi so your app operates or runs smoothly. Next, head over to your app store and then search for Block Blast and make sure to update the app to the latest version. If on iPhone, also make sure your iOS is compatible. On Android, check your device requirements. If the problem persists, go ahead and uninstall the app. Long press on the Block Blast icon, remove app and then delete the app. To reinstall, go back to the App Store and then reinstall it from there. Your progress is safe if your account is linked, so don't worry, it won't get lost. Once loaded, the black screen issue should disappear, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.